So we've talked about jurisdictions, about countries, but what about the breakdown of borders in that the internet, cryptocurrencies, all of that is actually breaking down borders.
Yeah.
To what extent is that going to influence events in the coming?
Well,
10,
I think that is a very good. I think a lot of this stuff that's going on is that we're struggling to come to terms with what the nation state actually means in the modern world, and the model, the political model, as Trump showed at the last election, as Macron showed, the political model is essentially to say, vote for me, put your trust in me. I understand that these are your problems, these are the challenges that you face, and this is what I'm going to do to help you meet them. That's the traditional model. And actually, a much more honest model is to say, do you know what, the world's more complicated than it's ever been. Us politicians, we're a lot less powerful than sometimes you might think, and I'm just trying to help you kind of navigate this mess. That actually would be a much more honest form of communication. The only one who gets even close to that is Merkel. She sort of does that a bit. She doesn't, but she can only do that because she's so well established already. So, and I think something like cryptocurrency is interesting. If you think about what levers the nation-state governments have had traditionally, you know, control over the currency, control over intake of taxation, how you then use that. Well, it seems to me that the whole kind of blockchain phenomenon is a very sophisticated way of undermining that control. And you're now seeing that governments, including the Chinese and the French and the Germans and the Dutch and others, are starting to develop this notion that maybe they're going to have to devise their own digital currency systems to, if you can't beat them, you're going to have to join them.